Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we were talking about the Bing chat, and we were talking about, its effects. We have an increase in the Bing search engine use, of course. Because of that, people are curious what it's all about. But one of the things that also happens is that there's quite a few people that are asking for features. They are asking for things that they would be able to do with the chat in Bing. And one of them is, and the most requested thing on the Bing chat, is saving chat results or chats that people have done with the Bing chat engine. And so this is one of the things that a lot of people would like to have. And apparently Microsoft is working on some of these features. Apparently a saving of the Bing chats that you do will be something eventually. Remember that you can always copy paste. I know it's more of a hassle, but eventually you'll be able to do so. Also, more languages will come. So, for example, how many languages do you know or speak? Here we go. And so there will be more languages added for those that are not getting their chat, AI chat. And it's a pretty long search here for that. And 3 dozen countries and regions. And what does it say? It says that right now, Bing Translator, which is a translate English into 100 languages, but the Web API support over 3 dozen countries or regions. So Bing, there's, of course, then they're talking about it, Bing translation. So more languages coming up, which is also something interesting. I think this is a big thing for Microsoft, and they're going to continue the evolution of it. We also talked about, a lot of people are saying, yeah, AI would be cool to use the filter and parse through the feedback hub for Windows fixes. Somebody also said, Windows 12, if it comes with an AI, could also go into the event manager and all sorts of things within Windows and check out problems that Windows might be reporting itself, saving to your hard drive, and find a fix. Yes, definitely. These are all possibilities. Technically, AI and its power can probably help out and maybe make not just Windows, but future computing much more reliable also. So kind of interesting to see how it's going and how Microsoft is dealing with that. And it's kind of changing day to day. And it'll be interesting to see the evolution of all of that over time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.